I think what Dan and I have been seeing is that like the MCP offerings, the agentic aids that companies are offering. So if you just take like Figma's MCP offering, for example, what Figma is providing is not well informed of the design system that we've helped build out. And so their MCP offering is helping the agent that we're using, often Claude Code. It's helping Claude Code produce a better artifact, a more accurate artifact, but it's still missing key ingredients. It's still missing design tokens or components that we've created that are a crucial part of what we're building. So being able to add that context to the workflow, the agentic workflow that we use or that our teammates use, with the client, has made a pretty substantial difference in how accurate the product is that we get from an agent.
How are you and Dan kind of divide and conquer on that front?
That split between, web and mobile becomes a lot less important, especially with the way that we build design systems and that we can build them in a really cross-platform and platform agnostic way. When we come at it from that approach, then the way that the AI tooling comes into play really matters less about the platforms and more about the split between that deep backend work that Tim has done a lot of on this project, and then how we map that to the front end work. So what we're finding is that there's a lot of tooling that still needs to be built, and it's getting introduced in more of a platform way with things like the Figma MCP, but it's still not great. It's still not turnkey enough, I think, for us or for our clients to really pick it up and just use it. And so we're really having to fill in the gaps in a lot of ways, either through tooling to, get some of that information out of Figma in a way that the AI systems can use it in a really thorough and thoughtful way, or building more of a bridge from our AI tools into the front end. Sometimes with things like Figma Code Connect, that's been really useful, but it's not useful in a broad spectrum yet. And so taking kind of some of the best of all of that and building our own recipes of how we use them seems to be how things are shaking out.